This is Dr. Jessica Han. In this mini lecture, we are going to talk about evidence of evolution. The first evidence of evolution is fossil. Fossils form when organisms die. The organisms fall into accumulating sediment and then are compressed into rock. The older fossils are buried in deeper layers of the rock, while the new fossils are near the surface of the rock. As shown in this picture, the fossil clearly shows the structure of the died organisms. Based on the fossils, some artists can draw art to show the evolution processes of the animal. For example, this is the horse being drawn. It shows the trend of evolution. The original picture was based on the images from the fossil. Another piece of evidence for evolution is the similarity in anatomy across different species. As shown in the structure here, human, dog, bird, whale, they all have humerus, ulna, phalanges, and wrist bones. Even though the shapes of those bones are different across species, they all have the same bones. Vestigial structure exists in organisms that have no apparent function, and they appear to be the residues from a past ancestor. The example of vestigial structure in human is the appendix. Some species live in the same environment. The convergence of form in organisms that share similar environment is an additional piece of evidence for evolution. Embryology is another piece of evolution. Embryology studies the structure and the development of the embryo. The similarity of embryo between species, for example, chicken and human, also shows the relatedness between those two species. Biogeography is another piece of evidence of evolution. The geographic distribution of organisms on the planet follows patterns that are best explained by evolution in conjunction with the movement of tectonic plates over geologic time. Molecular biology also supports the evolution. The structures of the molecules of life reflect descent with modification. Many species share similar DNA sequences. For example, mice and humans share 80% of the same genes. In summary, the following evidences support the evolution. The record of fossil shows transitional forms and the long-term trends of organisms. Comparative anatomy using the homologous structures suggesting the common ancestry among species. Molecular biology evidence using DNA and the protein similarities across species to support evolution. Embryology demonstrates the similarities among embryo structures in different species. Biogeography uses the distribution of species supports the evolutionary pattern. This concludes the evidence of evolution.